Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you Purist B1 bug gut remover. I'm going to show it to you on this GMC Denali that we have in the shop. Now, full disclosure, once you're ceramic coated, you'll probably need this less often, but it's always good to have in your arsenal. Why? Because in Texas, it gets really hot and these bug guts get embedded pretty quickly. Now, the ceramic coating will help you, the PPF will help you, but if you let a bug gut sit on your paint, it will etch the paint. So let me show you how well this B1 works on these bug guts on this Denali. Now, the biggest pain in the rear for bug guts is always these like little grill vents. So like you could maybe scrub it off easily up here, this piece that's up here, but these ones can be tough to get into. So that's why we always like those bug guts, and they're like sticky and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this on. Now, you don't wanna do this again in direct sunlight, and we don't wanna let it dry on the paint. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show it to you, and then I'm going to see how well it works, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Now, some of these guts are stuck in there, like right here, I don't know if you can see that, and some of that will eventually have to be polished out, maybe. And sometimes they don't always come out, they get etched in, so we wanna get rid of these bug guts as soon as possible. So I'm gonna spray this in here, all these little crevices where the bug guts can get. Then I'm gonna come back and rinse it off. Okay, I'll probably speed this up in post, but what I wanna do is I'm just gonna let it run and see if we start seeing these bug guts dissolve. And then after a couple minutes, I'm gonna hit it with the pressure washer, and we'll see if they all come off without having to even touch the paint. Because remember, when we're touching the paint and scrubbing at it, we're increasing the likelihood that we do damage to the paint. Now, this isn't paint, so this, isn't necessarily gonna be as damaged, but, the concept remains the same. I'm gonna try to get these things off as touchless as possible. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to like melt down in here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my pressure washer before this dries, and I'm just gonna rinse it, and we're gonna see if rinsing alone will get those bug guts off. So I'm just gonna back the camera up a little bit so I don't get it too wet. And I always use a 40-degree tip, which is the safest tip that typically comes with pressure washers. So this makes it less likely that I'm gonna damage anything. And pretty much almost, I've never seen it happen, but. Okay, so you see all these bug guts that were on here and stuck on here, they're all gone, and all I used was Purist B1 bug gut remover, as well as this pressure washer with a 40-degree tip. I didn't agitate it or anything. We're still gonna wash this car, but that is a demonstration to show you how well bugs will come off your car if you use the right products.